Hi guys, and it's 1st of April and it's around 10 a.m. and I'm outside Tesco and the line is literally so long. I'm not sure if you can see, and I'm trying to buy the essentials for myself, and there's quite a few people here, so I'm maintaining my distance but looking for my essentials. Tesco didn't have some of the stuff, so I had to come to cold storage to get the rest of my items. Now I've finally got everything I need. Guys, it's crazy hair day, so ignore the crazy hair and let me give you an update on what I've been doing. So today I woke up early, probably around 9 o'clock. Well, not really that early, but yeah. So I woke up early because I've run out of groceries and I need to do my grocery shopping, and if you don't go in the morning, you're not gonna find any food at all. So literally the shelves are empty if you go at that time. So I went in the morning and I literally had to queue in line for nearly 20 minutes, and the line was so long. And then once I got in, I managed to get the essentials because you can't find bread anywhere. I went to the shop I think 2 days ago and there was no bread there. There was no vegetables, nothing. So today I went in early because earlier you go in, there's probably going to be more stuff because they've restocked, and managed to find some of the stuff, which was good. So couldn't find other stuff, so had to go to another grocery store and pick up the rest of the stuff. So thank God I actually got all the stuff I need, so hopefully no more grocery shopping for a while. And so now I'm gonna make some Milo and start studying. See you guys soon. So I just got home and I'm making myself a hot cup of Milo before I start studying for the day. So I'm just going through some of the stuff that I've already done in the last few weeks, just to refresh my memory on what I've done. And I also think that I'm going to start a new topic today, so most probably I'll be doing hematology today.
Children. In both cases, accumulation of blast cells.
So a little bit of osmosis video to help me understand what acute leukemia actually is. The studying literally never ends, but I only got a few more weeks until finals, so I still need to push through and study, guys. So I'm boiling some potato and eggs to make for dinner. And ignore the mess, guys. Cutting the onions, and I've got some chicken here I use, and I'll show you guys later on what I made. So here's the finished product. Time to put them all together. So I've mashed the chicken, the egg, the potato, added some spices and some onions, and I've made small potato balls out of it. So guys, this is my dinner, and you saw me cooking this earlier, so yeah. My bottle of water, a mini omelette, and that's lunch. So guys, today is day number God knows what, and I have no clue how long I've been in isolation for because it just feels like ages. And today we're gonna get study again, and I'll see you guys in a while. Not sure if you guys can see, but like it's literally raining, and it's not very often that it rains here, so yeah. So I've got some fried prawns here from an Indian restaurant, and this is the first time I'm actually trying it, and so hopefully it's gonna be good. I just needed something different because from what I always eat, And I also got some rice, which I've had before. It's fried rice, egg fried rice, and hopefully it's gonna taste nice. So I actually got some extra food as well for the next few days, so I don't have to keep going to get food. So guess what I've got, guys? I went out and I got cream eggs. Literally love cream eggs. So does my mom. But unfortunately, we don't find them in Sri Lanka, but we do get them in Ireland. So I'm not in Ireland, I'm in Malaysia, and they do have it, so yay. So guys, I've got my workout outfit on, and I started this workout that I found on YouTube yesterday. It's a 20-minute home workout, and I'm starting that. So let me show you guys. So this is the 20-minute workout video I found on YouTube. So I'm gonna put it on while I actually work out here. So yeah. So guys, I just finished the home workout, and it's for beginners and in 20 minutes, but I'm already dying and my legs are so sore, especially after yesterday. And it's obviously because I haven't been exercising, and yeah, but it was so good. It feels good afterwards, and especially when you wake up in the morning and you're all sore, you're like, yeah, you know that workout actually hit you. So hopefully I get to continue it for the next few days, next 2 weeks when I'm in lockdown. But yeah, so maybe you guys start exercising and let me know in the comments below if you're gonna start exercising. And yeah, see you later, guys. Time to have a wash, literally drenched. Hi guys, so I just want to thank you guys for still being here, if you're still here. And if you do like this video, make sure you give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already subscribed. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you very much, and thank you for coming and watching my video all the time. And let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video. So I'm gonna see you again in the next video. Peace.